In this video, I will be telling you guys what to do if your email is not delivering to the recipient. For that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description below to check it out, the Mailchimp website. Once you are on the dashboard, log into your official account and you will be redirected to this page. Then if you see that your email is not delivering, the first thing is to check to go to the campaign dashboard. So go to the dashboard, go to the campaigns, and if see that if there is any red exclamation sign. If there is none, then the issue lies somewhere else. So one thing is that the people oftenly do a mistake. They don't verify their domains. The DKIM SPF records are very important, and if you have verified your campaign, verify your domain, then the issue might be somewhere else. But if you haven't, please verify it. There is a separate video in the channel where you guys can actually know how to verify your domain over the for the DKIM and SPF records. The other thing that you can do is to make sure that you check if you have reached the 250 contact limit. If you haven't reached the 250 contact limit and there's still an issue, you have to contact the customer support center. Otherwise, if you reach the limit, then you have to wait for the uh, you know till the next month in order to get the new contact quota. Otherwise, you can upgrade your plan to the standard or the pro one in order to get it fixed immediately. That's pretty much it. Take care. Bye bye.